Hello, wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me. Before you, you have the USD JPY on the 5 minute time frame. Today, I want to talk to you about always including a wealth protector for every trade that you put on. And you can see earlier on the market was moving in a bullish fashion, and then it began to make lower highs and lower lows until the trend resumed. Now, this was during the New York session, and you can see all of this price action. So, I'm thinking during a session, and usually it's true that during a session, the trend is going to continue. So after all of this price action, I'm thinking, the market's going to pull back. And since this is such a beautiful run up and so much beautiful price action, the pullback is going to be nice. So I'm waiting for the pullback, which I get. I get in on the short, not wanting to stay in there too long, simply because it's a counter trend trade and it looks like the market will continue bullish. So I make some pips off of that, doing nicely. So then I'm waiting for a while, and I know it's going to take a little while before price then continues to resume the trend. So I got the opportunity that I was looking for. You see how price fell down nicely? And then we got this beautiful engulfing bullish candle. I put my wealth protector right here, even with this candle. I got in on the pullback of that candle, and you can see for a little bit I was in profit. Because looking at the size of this candle, this was a really large candle. This candle was about 20, about 20 pips. But for me, it my wealth protector was at about 15.5 pips. And I thought in my head, oh, there's no way it's coming to reclose that. But I figured if it did, then the market was certainly going the other way. So as price progressed, and I thought about moving my wealth protector with price, but I didn't. So as the market progressed, I thought, we've already had a nice bullish run. It's going to continue. I'm just going to let my profits run. The next thing I know, bam, the market hit my wealth protector and I was out of that trade. But the great thing about a wealth protector is one, it protects your wealth. It is like a bodyguard for your money, but it also gives you a segue to then follow the money. So when I got knocked out of this trade, I got the opportunity to get back in and go with the money. And you can see how nicely that trade turned out. As a matter of fact, there were so many pips so fast that I got scared and I got out of the market. So I got some really great trades in today. But a lot of times when you have a lot of price action, you can expect a pretty good pullback, which you can see we got. But then price then engulfed that strong bullish attempt and it just continued to fall down. So within about a 2 hour period, you got over 200 pips. And I'm sorry, there's the rest of that. So you got over 200 pips in a 2 hour trading period. And I'm making this video to remind you to always use your wealth protectors. And I will tell you, there is not a trader in existence that doesn't get it wrong sometimes. You can see that I fully expected the market to continue to follow the trend. However, the market will do what it wants to do. It's not going to always do what you expect or even what it did yesterday. And like I said in a past video, the setup that made you mad money yesterday can be the same setup that eats your lunch today. I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. And I also want to say in closing, always use your wealth protectors. They are bodyguards for your money.